Okay, this is Joe Troy, and we're in a little patch of woods right now, and we've been digging some 54 caliber Gardners and several ringtail sharps extending out into the field. And Joe now has a reading that's pegging his detector. It sounds very brassy, and we're gonna watch it come out of the ground, whatever it is.
I'll tell you, Robert, the numbers are right. This almost has to be some kind of buckle or something. It's reading brass all the way.
Okay, that sounds good. I'm excited.
Oh man, I'm gonna use my trowel. I'm gonna be real careful with this thing. It just sounds too good.
I'll tell you, there's nothing like digging ringtails and Gardners and then get that plate reading.
Oh, I know it. This sounds just, I don't know. Especially with the Confederate bullets nearby. Cut that root away. It sounds awfully sweet.
Go Joe.
Ooh. Out of the hole.
Uh-oh, okay.
It's out of the hole. I don't see nothing, but... Oh, hang on. It's a tongue, man.
Wow.
CS. There she is. CS.
Congratulations, Joe.
Alrighty.
CS tongue.
It's got the loop. A little bent over, but I can get that straightened out.
Okay, good.
Let me get the CS out a little bit clearer. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Ah, I was so afraid it was just going to be a piece of trash or something. Can you see the CS a little better now?
Yep, plain as day.
Alrighty. I'm loving it.
Way to go. Congratulations. Today's starting off
I
real
haven't done
good.
one of these in about 4 or 5 years.
Yep.
I love it.
Okay.
All right, Robert.